She escaped the war in Ukraine, only to be unalived on a city bus in the country she thought was safe. This is the tragic case of Iryna Karustka. Iryna boarded the bus like any other passenger. CCTV shows her final moments. Moments later, she was attacked with a knife in front of other passengers. The man responsible was quickly arrested, but what shocked many was his history. He was a repeat offender, in and out of prison, and he had long struggles with mental health. Yet he was free, and Iryna became his victim. Iryna passed away from her injuries that day. She had fled the war zone in Ukraine, only to face violence in a place she thought was safe. De Carlos Jr. is being held for mental health evaluations while he awaits trial. He has been charged with first-degree murder. Iryna Karustka was only looking for a better life.